Hello friends, welcome to NoteKode. Today's topic is Java Abstraction. In this session, we will be discussing about the concept and features of Java Abstraction along with practical Java code examples. What is abstraction? Hiding the complexity of the code or system is known as abstraction. End user will only be able to see the working functionality. If you want more information about abstraction, I already discussed this with Java OOPS concept video. Please refer the same. Abstract class. A class that is partially implemented is known as abstract class. Such type of class is declared with abstract keyword. What is partially implemented means? Partially implemented means not completely implemented. That is, some part of implementation is still pending. Note: it is impossible to create an object in abstract class. Why it is impossible to create an object in abstract class? Because an abstract class is partially implemented, and if the class is not completely implemented, means some part of implementation is pending, then how it can be possible to create an object? Rules for abstract class. Abstract class have both abstract and non-abstract methods. We use abstract keyword to declare an abstract class. Abstract class cannot be instantiated. Inside abstract class, we can declare constructors which will be executed at the time of child object creation. An abstract class can be extended using extends keyword. How to achieve abstraction in Java? There are two ways to achieve abstraction in Java, as mentioned below. By using an abstract class, by using an interface. Syntax for abstraction in Java. Here you can see class pen is declared with the keyword abstract. It means class pen is an abstract class. Since abstract class have both abstract and non-abstract methods, that's why here we take two methods. First, write is as abstract method and draw is as non-abstract method. You can easily say write is declared with abstract keyword, and you also see the write method have no body because abstract method does not contain any body. And in non-abstract, draw method have body where we are printing the statement drawing a circle. Let's understand the abstraction with the help of Java code. Here I am creating a class. Take pen. Since we have to create the abstract class, I am taking the abstract, and you can see our abstract class is created. Now we want to create two methods. One is abstract and one is non-abstract. I'm taking a method named write. Now declaring another method, public void is say draw. what happened? Here is showing error. Why? Because the first method we declared, that is abstract method, and abstract method does not need any body. But the second method is draw method, it's a non-abstract method. So non-abstract method requires a body. Here you can also see this method requires a body instead of a semicolon. Means non-abstract method must have a body. So declaring with body here. Now abstract class is created. Just save this, and now I'm creating another class. I'm creating another class with the name Reynolds. So here my Reynolds class is created. Now I want to extend the abstract class pen through this class Reynolds. So I'm using here extends keyword. So I'm extending the abstract class pen. And now it's showing error. It says the type Reynolds must implemented the inherited abstract method pen.write. Means if we extending any abstract class, then we have to override all the methods created in our abstract class. So in abstract class, our abstract method is what? Public abstract void write. So here I am using the write method. Let's see. Public void write. Since we extending the abstract class pen, we can use this write method. If we want to print here something like, I'm just printing the statement here, writing a Java program. So here I am printing, writing a Java program, and just save this. Now inside abstract class, in draw method, here I also want to print something like I'm writing here drawing a circle. Let's save this. And now we want to print these two statements. So we have to create the object of Reynolds class here in the main method. We have to create the object Reynolds my pen equal to new Reynolds. Here I am creating the object of class Reynolds. Object is created here. Now we want to print this statement. So dot write and then dot draw. Just save the program and run this. Here you can see the output is writing a Java program, drawing a circle. So here you can see we use the write method that was created in abstract class pen because we inherit the abstract class pen. Here I also want to tell you one interesting concept about abstract class. Let's see If we creating the objects of abstract class, what happens? I'm taking here pen. This pen variable equal to new pen. What happens? It's showing compile time error. What says cannot instantiate the type pen. Means in abstract class we cannot create any object. Abstract class cannot be instantiated. Hope you understand the concept of abstraction and how to use abstract class in Java. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates.